Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to transfer money from BDO to GCash in 2025. If you're in the Philippines and need to send funds seamlessly, you're in the right place. With the latest updates to banking apps, this process is faster and more secure than ever before. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the BDO mobile app installed on your smartphone and that your GCash account is set up and verified. This is crucial for a smooth transfer. Start by opening the BDO app and logging in with your username and password. For added security, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer in 2025. Once you're logged in, head over to the Transfers or Funds Transfer section. You'll see options for different banks and e-wallets. Select GCash from the list of available recipients. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be daily limits, so check your BDO account settings first to avoid any surprises. Next, you'll need to input the recipient's details. For GCash, this means entering the mobile number linked to the GCash account. Double-check this to prevent any errors. Nobody wants their money going to the wrong place. After that, review the transaction summary, including fees if any apply. In 2025, transfer fees have been reduced, making it even more affordable. Hit the Confirm button and follow any additional prompts, like entering a PIN or biometric verification. Once approved, you'll get a confirmation message on your screen and possibly an SMS or email notification. The funds should reflect in the GCash account almost instantly, usually within a few minutes. A few tips to keep in mind. Always use a secure internet connection for these transactions, and keep an eye on your bank statements for any unauthorized activities. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. And there you have it. Transferring money from BDO to GCash in 2025 is straightforward and efficient. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.